Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Money Decoder. In this video, I want to answer a very common question. If I had €1,000 and I was starting from zero in 2025, how would I invest it? I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just how I would think about that money in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Step 1, your safety cushion. Before I even think about investing, I ask one question. Do I have any emergency money at all? If the answer is no, I would not throw the full €1,000 into the market. Life happens. Phones break, cars break, bills appear. So the first thing I would do is keep part of the money in a simple, safe place. A basic savings account, or a very safe cash account with easy access. For example, I might keep €200 to €300 as a tiny emergency cushion. This is not meant to make me rich. It is just there so I don't have to sell investments at a bad moment if something small goes wrong. Step 2, decide the goal and time. Next, I would decide the goal for the rest of the money. Is it for the next few months? Or for the next few years? If it's short term, like I need this for rent soon, I would not invest it in risky assets. Let's assume the €1,000 is money I can leave for at least 3 to 5 years. That's when investing in the market starts to make sense. Step 3, Simple Core, a broad ETF. For most beginners, I think a broad, low-cost stock ETF is one of the easiest starting points. So from the remaining money, for example, €700 to €800, I would put most of it into one global stock ETF or one big country index ETF, like a large US or world index. Why? With one purchase, I get small pieces of hundreds or even thousands of companies. I don't need to guess which single stock will win. Fees are usually low, so more of my money stays invested. I would not try to pick 10 different ETFs with €1,000. One or two broad ETFs is enough at the beginning. To actually buy ETFs, I personally use Freedom24 as my broker. It gives me access to many markets through one account. Right now, Freedom24 has welcome offers where new users can get gift shares depending on how much they deposit. You can find my Freedom24 link in the description. Very important, this is not a recommendation to use any specific platform. Always read the official terms, check the fees and risks, and do your own research before you sign up or deposit money. Step 4, a small learning position in crypto. After I build a simple core with ETFs, I might use a small part of the €1,000 to learn about crypto. For example, €100 to €200 maximum. This is money I'm prepared to see go up and down a lot. Crypto can move very fast. With that small slice, I could buy a bit of Bitcoin, or maybe split between Bitcoin and one or two other large coins for direct crypto. I personally use platforms like Bybit. They often have welcome bonuses for new users. For example, small USDT rewards when you deposit and complete certain tasks. Again, my link is in the description, but please read all the official conditions carefully and never deposit money just for a bonus. Step 5. Do nothing crazy. With small money, the biggest danger is not the market, it's our own behavior. So, if I were starting with €1,000 in 2025, I would not chase meme coins or guaranteed 100x promises. Trade every day based on random news. Go all in on one stock or one coin. Instead, I would build a simple ETF core, add a tiny crypto experiment on the side, and then focus on adding more money over time. Even €50 extra per month into the same ETF can make a big difference over several years. If I started investing with €1,000 in 2025, my simple plan would look like this. €200 to €300 small emergency cushion in cash, €700 to €800 broad, low-cost stock ETF as my core investment for the next 3 to 5 years, €100 to €200 small crypto position only for learning, knowing it is high risk and very volatile. I would use a regulated broker for ETFs, for me that is Freedom24, and a separate platform for crypto, for me, Bybit, always reading the terms, ease and risks carefully. This is not the only way to invest €1,000, but it is a simple structure, a cash cushion, a strong ETF core, and a small experiment zone. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Simple Money Decoder, and comment how you would invest your first €1,000.